Peace and power to you, and welcome to the Goddess Etiquette Masterclass. I am so excited for this class. It is time for us to tap into our goddess power. The divine feminine is being restored. We are coming into knowledge of truth of who we are. Many of us are daughters of Oshun and daughters of Yemaya, and we are tapping into our inner magic, the magic that has been bestowed upon us, the magic and power that runs within our bloodline. It is within our cells, and it's time to tap into it. So I'm so excited. This event will be March 16th and 17th. That is a Wednesday and a Thursday night. And I am just so excited. Please be sure to bring